Hello everybody and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. Today is part 2 in the video series of converting your non-SRT body kit 2015 Plus Charger to the SRT body kit. Today we're going to cover the hood and the side skirts. We're going to take a look at prices and part numbers. So without further ado, let's get to business. So first up, we have the hood. This is by far the most expensive part of the entire build process. To go along with the new hood, you'll also need to get a hood insulator. While the one that is pictured is not the one that you'll need, it is the correct part number. And to finish off the hood itself, you'll also need the bezel that fits inside of the scoop. I also needed to buy 3 of the hood insulation retainer clips as the SRT requires 3 more. At least it did on my car. For rocker moldings, you'll need 1 for the right, and you will need 1 for the left. And while the picture does not show the SRTs, these are the SRT part numbers. And when everything is all said and done, you go from ordinary to holy mean muggin' Batman. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.